Okay, right now we're going to talk about whitening, and I'll show you this particular case, and this is actually Charles. I'll show you this case because it shows how the whitening results compare with his original teeth much more easily, because what we'll be doing here with Charles, he came into me because he didn't like these two front crowns that he had done in Ireland. Basically, he thought he had a gap in between his front teeth initially, and then they put two crowns on there. But he felt that these crowns stood out a bit. He also felt that they were the wrong color, they were too dense, too opaque, they shone light through differently, and they also looked too fake. So he wanted to have these teeth slightly smaller, but he also wanted to correct, and I'll go to a close-up now, he wanted to correct the chip on this and make these slightly bigger, make these ones slightly narrower, and so that it would be more proportional all around. If you have a look at these are actually crowns made with the old technology. They have metal on the inside. So some of these crowns, you may have seen them before, but they start to look a bit grey on the gum line, and everyone can tell they're caps. All right, so he didn't want that anymore. He wanted something that was very natural, something that didn't stand out, and he wanted wider teeth. So we did all of that, and you can see the first process that we went through was to whiten all his natural teeth. Now these crowns will not change color, and they will be our reference point for the whitening, so you can see the results from the whitening. Now if you have a look, these crowns, to start off with, they're actually brighter and lighter than his natural teeth, okay? So now we go through the process of the whitening. So you can see there the results of the whitening. These teeth were the original crowns, and you can see now his own teeth have come up really, really different to the yellow crowns there. And in fact, the poor guy was working on the mines at the time, and he was the laughing stock of the mine site. But then after a few weeks, we found that all his mining friends had come in to get the same thing done. So anyway, this is him with his new front teeth. We had 4 done, and we've done them to blend in with his natural teeth a lot better. Okay, and that's them in a close-up. A close-up with edges. You can see now the edges are actually not perfectly straight. We've done them to have as much naturalness put through them. There's some translucency as well, and a lot of texture in those teeth. And that's Charlie.